स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. In today's video we'll talk all about BHU Law, that is Banaras Hindu University Faculty of Law. So to get each and every detail about it, stay tuned with me. We'll cover the important points like eligibility criteria, what will be the paper pattern, what will be the cutoff, the selection process of it, seat availability and the placement. So those aspirants who are planning to shape their career in the field of law, then you should be know about the best entrance exams in India, and one of it, that is BHU Law. So let's grab each and every detail, and here we'll talk about the university first. The BHU has made the valuable contribution to the legal education in India and has been continuously holding a reputation of educational excellence and academics. It is situated in the holy city of Varanasi, was founded by the great nationalist leader Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya in 1916, one of the most prestigious central university in country, and also this is the only university in world where course ranging from nursery and primary school up to postdoctoral degrees taught and pursued. It is sprawling in the landscape of 1360 acres, and if we talk about the ranking, then it is always stand in the top list with respect to legal programs, and according to NIEF, it is ranked third in the universities in India. It is also one of the law school in India to start the clinical legal services, and the Faculty of Law offers the various programs, undergraduate to postgraduate, various certificate programs, various doctoral programs. So out of those, the 5-year integrated program, that is BLLB, for it has 120 seats, while for 3 years LLB program it has 384 seats. So now we'll discuss how to enter into it. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So for undergraduate program, your qualification should be 10+2 or equivalent, with minimum 50% marks required. With respect to general category, 45% marks required for OBC candidates and 40% marks for SC/ST category, and those candidates who are in 12th and awaiting for results are also eligible. And BHU Law also considers the age criteria. So the upper age limit for general and OBC candidate is 20 years, and it has 2 years relaxation for SC/ST category, that means 22 years. With respect to postgraduate program, so qualification is LLB or any equivalent degree such as Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, with minimum 50% marks required in aggregate, and the candidates who are in the final year are also eligible. And the age criteria says the age should not be exceed to 30 years. So let's move further. Now we'll talk about the paper pattern. The total number of questions are 150. Time duration here is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. It includes 4 sections. The first one, English language and comprehension. Second one, general awareness. Third one, legal aptitude. And the fourth one, aptitude and mental ability. So all this section comprises 150 questions for 450 marks. That means for each correct answer you will get +3 marks, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 1 mark. So now talk about the very important point, that is the cutoff. So cutoff, it is depend on various parameters: the number of seat availability in the institute, the number of applicants, the difficulty level of the exams. So according to past trends, you have to score 270 to 300 marks to enter into BHU. So let's prepare for BHU Law entrance. Now we'll talk about the selection process, and the very first step, that is BHU Law online test. You have to crack it, then the authority will conduct the counseling process, then according to merit you will get seat in the respective institute. It has the reservation criteria also. For scheduled caste it has 15% reservation, for scheduled tribe 7.5%, for all other backward class 27%, and for physically challenged candidate 3%. Moving further, now we'll talk about the career scope and the placement. So BHU has the internship and placement committee. About 90% students got the internship in reputed company, firm and institutions. The placement season works throughout the academic year. Many of the top legal firms and the oldest one are take part in the recruitment cell, and one of these are Khaitan and Company, AZB and Partners, LLN Partners, Tri-Legal, Shardul Amarchand and Mangal Das. Some of the private sectors and government organizations also take part in the recruitment cell. So these all are the top listed companies where you will get the vast opportunities in your career path. And if we talk about the package, then it is considered last year the student got the highest package ranging from 10 to 12 lakh per annum, where average package stand 5 to 7 lakh per annum. And also it has very nominate fee structures, so ultimately it will gives you the best return on investment. So friends, don't worry at all about the placement. Start your preparation from now onwards. To enter into BHU, let's prepare for BHU law, and to crack it, join Manwa online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full course, and you can also interact live with us. So call on 8828581455, visit manwaedu.com/law entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career.